For physical servers, we support application-consistent server backup and restore for Windows and Linux systems. You can perform full version or partition-level server backup and restore. The compatible operation systems include Windows, Red Hat Enterprise Linux, CentOS OS, and Debian Linux before. Now in this new version, we have added support for Ubuntu, SUSE, Oracle Linux, and Rocky Linux. For server backup strategies, we support forever incremental backup, data deduplication and compression, valid data extraction, CBT for fast incremental detection, multi-threaded transmission, and etc. For server recovery options, here's one more update in this new version. Vinchin supports instant server volume restore now. It works by directly mounting and running data disk of the server from backup data for maintaining business continuity. Then during business off hours, you can migrate to a new bare metal server. Besides, we offer original server restore, new server restore with boot fix and rebuild partition functionality. And we can provide dedicated bootable media like CD and for P2P bare metal restore.